I am pleased that my voice was heard by this board. As you will see, the Goldman question has been reworded without any mention of P21. I would hope that would indicate a true desire from this district to have nothing to do with Common Core at all. I am concerned, however, that, like Mike Huckabee has suggested to many other states fighting to cease the use of Common Core, this is simply a name change. In other words, since Common Core has become a toxic name, just change the name. I would like to think this is not happening, yet when I look at the textbooks up for adoption by our district, many of them have aligned with Common Core, which is actually more than a simple advertising gimmick to gain certain states to buy their textbooks. It means some parts of or their entire curriculum has been changed to match Common Core state standards. Furthermore, I see that we are adopting a math curriculum called Origo Stepping Stones. Allow me to read the following from their website. Origo Stepping Stones has been written and developed by a team of experts to provide teachers with access to a world-class elementary math program that honestly addresses both the content and intent of the Common Core state standards. Our expert team of authors and consultants are utilizing all available education research to create a unique program that has never before been available in the United States. This is not a marketing tool to advertise for Common Core so they can sell more textbooks. This curriculum was written explicitly for the Common Core state standards, and the fact that they are up for adoption to be used in our district implies that it is intended for more than just supplemental use. I will continue to speak out against Common Core and Common Core under whatever new name it attempts to hide behind. Parents, I urge you to begin to look into the issue of C-Scope and Common Core and its entry into our schools. I'm not asking that you take my word for it, but don't you owe it to your children to at least check out the warnings that you are being given?
Thank you. Next, Donna Harvey.